Look at this split screen. On the left, a student clearly knows their English rules, but they lose the point for adding irrelevant detail. On the right, a precise answer gets full marks. Welcome back to Smart Path Academy. To stop leaking these easy marks on your checkpoint exams, you need to master Skill 40, verb tense and voice control. The Cambridge mark scheme is strict. Writing a grammatically correct sentence isn't enough. You must provide the exact word the question asks for, and nothing else. Let's look at this diagram. Tense is simply your indicator of time. To find it, scan the sentence for specific markers. Words like is, do, or eats tell you it is in the present. Words like was, did, or ate fix it in the past. Next is voice. In the active voice, the subject of your sentence is the one actually performing the action, like this figure kicking the ball. In the passive voice, the subject is on the receiving end. We shift our focus to the ball getting kicked. Correctly identifying whether a subject is doing the action or receiving it is the first step to accurately answering any checkpoint verb question. This exam task asks us to change the sentence from present to past tense. First, find the exact verbs. Here they are grow and sell. Because these are irregular verbs, their spelling changes completely. Grow becomes grew, and sell becomes sold. Now pay attention to this examiner requirement. Do not add extra helping verbs. Writing something like were growing might sound natural to you, but adding those extra words triggers an automatic rejection by the examiner. You must stay within the boundaries of the verb change. Building the passive voice requires a two-part formula, a be verb plus a past participle. Let's apply this. Scan for the time marker. 1950 means past tense. Avoid mistakenly writing just built, which misses the be verb. The exact required answer is was built. Omitting that small helping verb collapses the passive structure and will cost you the mark. In the cacao beans are collected by farmers, the beans receive the action, making it passive. To make it active, move the doers, the farmers, to the front. Next task, change this to past tense. Swims becomes swam, and dives becomes dived. Reject wordy phrases like was swimming. Finally, the time marker last night demands the past passive form was spotted. Remember the double T spelling rule. Practicing these formats proves you control the grammar rather than letting the grammar control you. Let's review the visual checklist. 1. Identify your time markers. 2. Build the passive voice using a be verb plus a past participle. And 3. Change the verbs only. Running every answer through this 3-step filter eliminates the unforced errors that drag down exam grades. Here is your final challenge. Look carefully at the time marker on screen and construct the correct passive form. Leave your formatted answer in the comments below. Great job building your exam skills today. We'll see you next time at Smart Path Academy.